What if your computer could solve in seconds what today's supercomputers take years to do? Welcome to the world of quantum computing, where the rules of physics are redefined. Traditional computers use bits, they're either 0 or 1. Quantum computers use qubits, which can be both 0 and 1 at the same time, a concept called superposition. That means quantum computers can process many possibilities at once, not one by one. It's like checking every combination of a lock, all at the same time. Imagine cracking a password. A regular computer tries one by one. A quantum computer? It tries all at once. Faster, smarter, powerful. Quantum computing could revolutionize medicine, weather forecasting, cybersecurity, artificial intelligence. Tech giants like Google, IBM, and Microsoft are building quantum computers. But we're still in the early stages, like the 1940s of regular computing. Quantum computers won't replace your laptop yet, but they will change the world in ways we can't imagine. Subscribe for more mind-blowing tech like this. And also like and press the bell icon. Thank you.